Hey, good morning, friends. Good morning, Cougars. I have a new story for us today. It's one of my favorite stories about making friends and what it takes sometimes to really hold on to those special friends. And our title is Peanut Butter and Cupcake. What do you think? Do you think they go together? So we're going to read today Peanut Butter and Cupcake by Terry Porter. Oh, look at that. Oh, Peanut Butter has a soccer ball. So my best friend, Judy. Peanut Butter got a ball for his birthday. He was kind of bad at kicking it with his feet, but kind of good at balancing it on his head. Still, it wasn't much fun playing with the ball all by himself. Oh, do you like to play by yourself? It's not as much fun, right? What do you think he's gonna do? Let's find out. Want to play with me? He asked his mom. They had just moved to town and Peanut Butter didn't have any friends yet. Ooh. I think you should go outside and find someone to be your new friend, she answered. Okay, so what did Mom say? Try to find somebody to play, right? Is it easy to go and ask somebody you don't really know to be your friend and play with you? It can be hard, right? Let's see what Peanut Butter is gonna do. Peanut Butter liked that idea very much. So off he went. Let's see. It wasn't long before he saw a someone. He saw someone. Ooh. Is it gonna be Cupcake? Hello, I'm new here and I like to play. Maybe now, maybe later, or even all day. I'll make you chuckle deep down in your belly and we'll go together like peanut butter and hamburger. Oh, I'm sorry, said Hamburger, but I'm busy walking the dogs. Thank you for asking, though. You're welcome, said Peanut Butter. Maybe next time. And he kept walking. Oh, okay, so he tried. Didn't quite work like he was expecting, right? It wasn't the first try. Do you think he's gonna give up? There goes Peanut Butter. Then he saw Cupcake playing by herself. Oh, maybe it's her. He thought she looked sweet and might make a good friend. Hello, I'm new here and I like to play. Maybe now, maybe later, or even all day. I'll make you chuckle deep down in your belly and we'll go together like peanut butter and Cupcake. Oh, I'm building a sprinkle castle, said Cupcake. You can stay and watch, but don't hit my castle with your ball or I'll be mad. Peanut Butter didn't want to make anyone mad. That's okay, Peanut Butter said, and he kept walking. So it wasn't quite Cupcake, right? Oh, right. Ooh, then he saw Egg rolling down the path. Hello, I'm new here and I like to play. Maybe now, maybe later, or even all day. I'll make you chuckle deep down in your belly and we'll go together like peanut butter and egg. Do you think it goes well together, peanut butter and egg? Peanut butter and egg? That's funny. You're cracking me up, Egg laughed. And then he really did crack. Ooh, Peanut Butter didn't want the egg to laugh anymore. So he kept walking. Oh, no, he has a crack. Do you see it? He has a big crack. Oh, no. Well, he's trying, but it hasn't been that easy, right? He's really trying. He found someone jumping. Oh, hello, I'm new here and I like to play. Maybe now, maybe later, or even all day. I'll make you chuckle deep down in your belly and we'll go together like peanut butter and meatball. 32, 33, 34. Shh! I'm counting my jumps, said Meatball. 35, 36, 37. I'm trying to set a record. Peanut Butter whispered back. But I have this ball and 38, 39, 40. Shh! said Meatball. Peanut Butter kept walking. Finding a friend was harder than he thought it was going to be. Ooh. Now, when we're in a new place, sometimes we have to try really hard. He's trying to be nice. He's trying to ask all the different kids to play with him. Oh, is he giving up? Even if it's hard, he's still not giving up. Let's see what he does next. Then Peanut Butter saw another someone sitting under a tree. And that was good because he was ready to sit down too. Even though he was getting tired, he gave it another try. Hello, I'm new here and I'd like to play. Maybe now, maybe later, or even all day. I'll make you chuckle deep down in your belly and we'll go together like peanut butter and French fries. Oh, not right now, said French fries. I just remembered I'm supposed to help Hamburger with his hot dogs and I need to catch up. Oh, look, he does have ketchup. Did he find a friend? And he's getting tired. Do you think he's giving up? Do you think so? Not quite yet. Oh, let's see. Peanut Butter walked up to one more someone who was practicing his ABCs, but before he could open his mouth, Soup picked up a spoon, dipped it into himself, and then showed it to Peanut Butter. In the spoon, there were two letters, an N and an O. What was the answer? But I didn't say anything yet, said Peanut Butter. You didn't have to, said Soup. Oh, said Peanut Butter. So we can even meet some kids that are not very nice. They're not very kind, not very polite. Peanut Butter found a bench to sit on. He was almost ready to give up. But as he sat there, so very sad, a new kid walked up to him. Hello, she said. Peanut Butter took a deep breath. Hello, I'm new here. And I like to play, maybe now, maybe later, or even all day. I'll make you chuckle deep down in your belly, and we'll go together like peanut butter and jelly. Sure, I'll be your friend, said Jelly. But could you teach me how to keep the ball on my head? I'm only good with my feet. Now he was just about to give up, and then he found someone who wanted to play. So they taught each other what they knew and made each other chuckle deep down in their bellies. Oh, now they're playing ball. And it wasn't long before their laughing made the other kids come over. They asked if they could play too. Of course, Peanut Butter and Jelly were happy to let them join in. As his new friends knocked the ball around with their feet and their heads and, in one case, his buns, Peanut Butter chugged deep down in his belly because they all went together like peanut butter and hamburger and cupcake and egg and meatball and French fries and soup and jelly. The end. So what do you think? Do you think peanut butter really goes with soup and hamburger and French fries and egg and cupcake and jelly? Isn't that cool? Sometimes it is hard. It is very hard to make new friends. We have to really try and talk to the other kids. It can be a challenge, right? We get nervous. We feel a little afraid of it, right? It's not easy talking to new kids, but you never know. You might make a new friend. And even those kids that at first they say no, they don't really want to talk to us, they might come around and say, wow, wow. Sometimes it takes hard work to make friends. And as we learned last week, there's some things that we can do to keep our friends, to be nice, like taking turns, being polite, listening. Those are all great things that we can do to keep the friends that we have. And we saw that it might take a little bit of work, but we can always try our best. If we keep trying, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it work. I hope you enjoyed peanut butter and cupcake. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys soon.